boy, here we go. Our friends at SeeSii sent us a battery operated pole saw. It's the coolest little thing. Yeah, they saw what happened after the hurricane damage in Florida. Thought this would be a convenient thing for Dad to use. So we're just helping taking the box out to the recycling. We can't decide if we're going forwards or backwards with the box. But we're having fun with the box and the tape. Oh, is it your box? Maddie, very possessive about the box. Okay, you wanna go watch Dad try it out? Come on, let's go watch him try it out. Let's go. Here we go. Maddie's branch manager. She's supervising.
Maddie, look out.
So Dad trims the palm branches. The SeeSii Extend-A-Pole chainsaw is just fantastic. Very light for Dad to use. Oh, Brody, no, you shouldn't be cleaning up yet, honey. As you can see. Oh. Weighs about 8 pounds. And the really cool part is that it can also be used as a handheld device. Comes with 2 batteries. Let's just watch how it works. Perfect. Look at that. Absolutely effortless. This would have come in very handy during the right after the storm. Everyone had so much debris to cut up. Yeah, it does a great job. Okay. And there we go. And go find another tree? Let's go find another tree. Oh, Brody's in charge of cleanup. Brody's in charge of cleanup, except he's heading in the wrong direction. What are you gonna get, Maddie? Okay, we're gonna go check it out on another tree. Brody, you're going the wrong way, buddy. But I got a treasure. Good boy. Not only does it work on palm trees, but it does oak branches as well, up to about 2 inches. This is so much easier than Dad getting the ladder out. Oh, watch yourself, Maddie. Maddie, safety first, out of the way. Come here, Maddie. Maddie, come here.
Maddie, back up.
Back up, there we go. Okay, let's see if we can get a close-up of the branch here.
Maddie.
Look at that. Oh, we have our branch manager heading right in to do some pickup. Good boy. Yep, thank you, SeeSii. This is gonna make that, Dad's gonna be out here all day. Maybe you'll figure out sooner or later she shouldn't be standing there. Yeah, this thing's absolutely fabulous. Now you just need to invent something to automatically pick them up. Thank you. Look at that pole saw. Look at that beautiful blade. Woohoo! Thank you so much. We really love it.